Handling all the functions of a property management company can be very tough and demanding. However, the smoothest and most streamlined property management companies mostly boil down to having the most useful property management supplies. Although it might sound obvious, it is essential for property managers to invest in a good supply of materials and resources. Without these supplies, it is impossible to efficiently run an entire property management company. For this reason, I've collected the best property management supplies that you will need for your company and compiled them into a convenient list. Welcome back, Loopers. My name is Sydney, and I'm a content creator here at DoorLoop. In today's video, we're going to be going over the essential property management supplies. Whether you're an independent property manager or you run a property management company, it is vital to have an abundant supply of these materials to make sure your business is as successful as possible. I'll begin the list with the most basic tools and move on to some materials that you may not have known you will need. First up, we have computers. As we advance into a more modern era, bookkeeping is becoming predominantly digital. For this reason, it is important to invest in computers, desktops, and laptops for your office. Computers are one of the best solutions for keeping a history of all maintenance done, all of your clients, all of your properties, and much more. As a very versatile tool, computers are essential if you want to manage all aspects of your business. When searching for computers, it's important to consider the price of the technology you're investing in. You should be sure that the prices you are paying are reasonable and worth the investment. Next up is internet, which goes hand in hand with computers. Good internet is vital to your property management system. Fast internet is an easy way to get high-speed access to all of your resources as well as anything you need to search for online. This is important because every aspect of modern businesses is slowly going online, so it's essential to keep up with the changes. Another essential supply for all property managers is some sort of external storage for your digital information. This external storage could be in the form of an external hard drive, a USB, or cloud storage. This storage is an effective way to save all your records of maintenance, details about every account, or anything that is related. Next up is phones. To be a successful business, you need to be able to be reached when any client wants to call. For this reason, phones are one of the most important property management supplies. If the clients are not able to efficiently reach the property managers, there's a good chance that they may lose interest in their services. Next is signs. One supply that may not be too obvious, but you should include in your office supplies are signs. Signs are very versatile materials that can help in gaining free publicity for your company. For example, when you're trying to run a property, you can place a sign outside of it to show everyone who passes by which company manages this property. Signs are also used in order to indicate office hours, display rules on properties, and ensure safety in the office. Another supply that is essential to the success of your property management company is shipping materials. These materials include things like envelopes, letter-sized paper, labels, and postage stamps. Since the company will most likely send tons of letters to their clients, it's important to not run out of the materials needed to send these letters. Lastly, a bonus item is getting property management software. A good software like DoorLoop can help you streamline many of your daily management tasks, such as rent collection, accounting, maintenance management, tenant communication, marketing, and so much more. DoorLoop does all this and so much more, so to get a free demo, click the link down in the description. Office supplies for your property management company are essential to the success of your business. Although the ones in this video may be obvious, they are essential to your company. It's important to have all of these in mind to make sure that your office is always fully stocked. That's it for today's video, but if you want more tips and tricks for property managers, check out this playlist. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!